Your Royal Highness, why is it important to preserve the African culture?
It's very, very important because that's a form of identity. Every society or every race has some form of identity, and identity is culture. And if it's not preserved, how do you identify yourself? A human being is a human being else and everywhere, but we have identities.
How can it be preserved?
There are so many ways of preserving. There are some cultural practices. Sometimes it can be preserved by writings, some literature, which shows the importance and what should be done to safeguard some certain places of interest like shrines and other things. So those are part of the culture.
Which one would you prefer as a way of preserving the African culture? Written or orally preserved? Which one between the two?
Both. But for this time round, it is important to have both. Oral, because that has been our practice. We have been passing on information from one generation to another. But you see, over a period of time, we lose out some aspects if it's just passed orally. But if it's in written, also in written, you can always be remembered. So we encourage to have both oral and written. Even the audio this time, we wanted to have films showing our culture, showing our sites, heritage sites, and so forth.
Would you please tell me the importance of traditions, African traditions?
They are very important because they form part of our life. The customs and the traditions, they form part of our life, and you cannot do away with them. For you to be called Fred Mwetwa or Zambian, there are some social cultural aspects which link you or which identify you to be a Tonga or a Zambian. Now those should be preserved. Otherwise, you just be a global human being without anywhere interest.
How about traditional ceremonies? Why should we hold traditional ceremonies?
Those are very important because those are held usually once in a year. They keep you reminding or remembering the importance of these ceremonies and also the important aspects of our life. Ceremonies are usually done or held in respect of agricultural produce. When we hold these ceremonies, it's actually a reminder or a reflection to see how we have performed in a given agricultural season after 1 year.